All right, back in the bathroom. And now I'm gonna take out this top part of the vanity and we need to get rid of this wall. So that is what I'm gonna work on. Update on the bathroom. We've got the first couple layers of the floor up. This is another layer of vinyl, which is not that much higher than the wood floor, and we're having difficulties getting it off, so we're trying to figure out what to do with that. And then we have a little bit built up here around the toilet that we'll take out once we get the toilet out. We took this wall out and the wall behind the shower. So that we can work on taking out the old tub, putting in the new one, and then putting in the new surround that will go around here. This wall is still the same from before. The ceiling will stay the same. So yeah, that is where we are, and trying to finish clearing out the floor and tub surround so that we can start laying the subfloor down. Alright, this is where we are with the bathroom. We got the tub out, the surround out. So this is what the shower looks like. And right now we are working on doing the subfloor for under the tub, and then for the rest of the floor. We got the toilet out, and I finished the wallpaper, getting the wallpaper off the wall here in this corner. And then this vinyl flooring is not far, it's super thin, so it's really close to the wood flooring, so we're gonna leave that. And if there's anything else that needs to be shimmed to level, that's how we're gonna do it, just because it's so hard to get off, and again, it's super thin. But yeah, that is where we are so far.
It's going to be close. Basically, it's going to be in this area where we put the...
Alright, so Rory came in and he did this part of the subfloor, finished off with these little pieces. We had the plumber come in and they fit the new toilet. They did the rough plumbing for the sink. We put some insulation in, then put this piece of drywall in. The tub is in so we can use it. And then we marked off where the rest of the drywall is gonna go so that we can start doing the heated floor and tiling.
Yeah, well, or these tips to make it flat.
Well, why wouldn't it go here? Wouldn't that make it be an easier cut?
It would be.
Alright, so we got the heated floor down, and now we've been going through and we're starting with this corner because it's the most difficult, and have been laying the tile, cutting it to fit, and now we've moved it down. We're mixing the mortar, and we're going to come back in and do that before we lay the tile. All right, we're getting closer with the tile. We just have this little bit to do right here by the doorway and around the toilet. And we have to let it set overnight before we can grout it tomorrow.